Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to take the video we just created using our phone and upload that into Facebook using our phone. Let's just hop into the Facebook mobile app. Now you can do it from your personal Facebook application, and all you have to do is click on what's on your mind and then click on videos and photo and then upload the video that we want to upload. Click on that one and done. If you're doing it on the Facebook Business Manager or a business page essentially, then I would recommend doing it through their application, and all you have to do is click on Publish and then select the photo icon and then photo video. There we go. And then from there, select the video and it will go ahead and import that into your post. Now, when you're uploading videos like this using your phone and you're using the exact same style that I edit my videos, the thumbnail is essentially in the very front of the video, then you would be okay to post just like this. I like to have all my text essentially for my video post inside an application called Asana. So let me go ahead and open that up and then just paste that into my post. I can add in different hashtags and things like that. If you want to have all the features that you would have when you upload via your desktop, for example, adding a thumbnail, adding a title, adding tags, you don't get that in the mobile experience, but I'm going to show you how to do that still using your phone. Now, there's this application you're going to have to install. It is essentially called Browser. It allows you to view applications from your phone like you would on a desktop. So once you have it open, just click on Browse. So from here, obviously go into Facebook. Once you log in, same process. Either click on Post to post onto your personal page. I post onto my business page. So you have to just select the page you want it to go on, and then very similar process, click on Create Post, select Photo Video, and then upload that. Here it is, done, choose. And now when you use this application to upload just like you would on a desktop, now you have all the features like you would on a desktop. You can choose your title, you can choose the description and your tags, and you can upload your own thumbnail. I'm not going to go into exactly how to type everything in because it's really simple as tapping, pasting or typing your title in, and then pasting your description in, and then your tags. And then for the thumbnail, go ahead and just click on that. And then you want to go ahead and add image, photo library, and then select the photo that you want to upload with your video post. And from there, once it has completed, just click on Next to upload and publish. And now you've posted a video onto Facebook with everything, with a thumbnail, with a title, with description, and with tags like you normally would get in a desktop. When you follow this process, it will compress your footage, meaning it will upload a lower quality video format because you are uploading it using this application. But this is the only way to upload using your phone a thumbnail. If you want to keep the high resolution, then I recommend you upload using your computer. Pick and choose your battles. If you are editing the way that I edit and have the thumbnail in the very beginning of the video, then you should probably just be fine with doing it on your mobile phone, on the mobile application. But if you want all the additional benefits of having those titles and keywords, tags, whatever, and a thumbnail, then follow this process. So I hope you guys learned a valuable thing, gained some great information, and yeah, make sure to also hit that like button and subscribe if you loved learning this, and also leave some comments below of maybe what you might want to learn or have any questions on, and I would love to be able to answer that for you. So have a good day and see you next time. Watch more of my videos.